What's up, guys? Adam with Whisker Fisherman TV, and it is shit hit the fan day. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting into this. This one's a little late, guys. That wasn't the shipper's fault. I just could not get to the post office with Thanksgiving and deer season and all that good stuff. So I'm sorry it's a little late, but I'm trying to get it up for you now. Anybody who hasn't watched this before, I do the primary box. I'm in $20 a month. Your pro box comes in at about $50 a month, and your elite box is $89. Again, if you haven't watched the shit hit the fan video, I'm going to tell you off the bat, it's not always the best quality stuff, but it is usually some fun stuff, and I usually get some pretty good little EDC items out of it. This one's pretty heavy, so let's go ahead and jump into it. This I kind of like. That is just a beef stew, fully cooked, ready to eat. Looks like the expiration is 2025, I think. It's smudged, so I can't read it, but pretty long shelf life. I would think it would be longer than that, but that's pretty cool. Just some, sustainable food right there. A long shelf life. 320 calories, 30 carbohydrates, 9 grams of protein. If you're interested. What this is. How to use jiggers. This is something for lock picking. It's different. I have not seen these. I own some lock picks, but that's alright. I mean, my only thing with lock picks, which they do show up in these boxes, not just shit hit the fan, but a lot of boxes, is that if it's really a shit hit the fan scenario, guys, and you need to get into a house, you're going to get in there. Probably not going to spend the time to, pick a lock. You're probably just going to break through the door, pair of bolt cutters, whatever. Top of that, you get a beginner's guide to lock picking. It's a pretty big laminated fold-out pamphlet. I'm pretty alright with that, guys. Actually gives you a list of states where lock picks are legal and not legal, which that's kind of neat. The only reason I like this is because they did send you lock picks, and then they gave you a little bit of literature. But again, to me that's more of a toy. Paper. What do we got here? Canteen hanger and fish mouth opener. That is basically a set of tongs. Not crazy about that, but I'm not going to knock it. There are a couple items in the last couple boxes I wasn't too thrilled about, but that's not too bad. So we got just a nice little EDC pouch here. It's M48, guys. They actually do usually make pretty decent little bags at a pretty reasonable price. That's not bad. I like that. Just a decent little belt pouch. Molly compatible. That's alright. I will definitely use this. This will probably be part of my EDC. I have wanted just a little pouch like that. Trailblazer fire starter. Let's see what we got. I very seldom ever buy fire starters. I usually just make my own, but since I got it, I'm not going to knock it. And if I was going to buy them, these are probably the ones I'd want to buy. Basically just a big old match, I guess. You know, it doesn't give you any instructions. And there's no striker that comes with it, so I guess you kind of got to provide that. But that's not bad. Looks like you get 40 of them, so got a right good many. Yeah, there is a striker on the side of the box I like, guys. That's not bad. Again, I make my own. So it's not something I would buy, but you know, now that I have it, it'll probably go in my preps. I don't think that'll go in a pack or anything, but keep that for around the house. What do we got? Got some SOA assisted opener. It's heavy. Huh. That's not too bad, guys. I like that it's just a simple little knife. You know, it doesn't have all the cord cutters and stuff. It's got a, I guess that's supposed to be a pop top bottle opener. It's pretty comfortable. It says 1 shot, 1 kill on it. It actually feels pretty good in my hand, guys. It really does. The action, it's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty typical for these kind of knives that you're going to get in these boxes. It's got your belt clip. I guess that's your glass breaker. That's not bad. Again, this is not, I might actually carry this one. 90% of these knives I get in these boxes I'll never carry, but that one I might. Yeah, I mean, it's a $10 knife. That's not bad. Again, I like that it's pretty small. I can stick it in a pocket and not know that I'm carrying it. If you were going to go to Walmart or something, that's probably what you would pay for a knife of about that quality. Bottle hanger, fish mouth spreader. I'll look into it, guys. I guess that's just for like your canteen cup so you can get a hold of it. I guess. It feels pretty cheap. They're saying this is $8. I would never buy this. I definitely wouldn't pay that much for it. To be honest with you, what it feels like is it's just a part of something else that they've repurposed and put another name on it, but at least it seems like it's mildly useful, which, like I said, the past couple months I was not crazy about. A couple of the items they sent me. Long-term food. I don't even know if this will go in my preps, guys. This might just end up in one of my packs, and I'm going to eat it while I'm fishing or hunting or something. But I really like that it's fully cooked. It's ready to go. Not big on dehydrated food. I'd always rather have this than the Wise stuff. That's $5. That's not too bad. I think that's just an MRE entree without anything else. I think that's about what they run online. That's not too bad. I guess this is supposed to be your auto jigger, is what these are called. $20, and never in a million years would I have paid $20 for this. Again, it's kind of a cool little novelty type, a trick, but my honest advice, guys, before you ever buy a lockpick, just go out and buy a pair of bolt cutters and just get in that door. That seems a little pricey to me, but I don't know what those run, so I can't really say. Your pamphlet that came with it, which actually seems better made than the actual lockpicks. I actually like these little laminated pamphlets like this. Again, this isn't one that I think I would stick in a pack because of the nature of what it is, but that's not too bad. $8 seems a little pricey, but if this was like Wild Edibles or something like that, I think that would be a fair price. It just so happens that we got the lock picking guide. Fire starters, $6. You get 40 of them. That seems pretty fair. That seems pretty fair. Again, you can make your own a lot cheaper. I just put a video out on that, but that's not bad. And probably my favorite part of the bag, the box, was this little bag. It says it's $15. That's actually a little pricey for M48 stuff. But then again, they do make decent bags. This one doesn't seem to have a waterproof lining. Most of them do. But it's a decent little EDC pouch. It's not like I went and paid $15 for it, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this box, guys. I really am. I'm sorry this video came out late. I just started a new job. We had Thanksgiving. All that fun stuff going on, so this is just as soon as I could get it filmed. Best thing be the bag. This would probably be the worst thing, just because I really feel like that is unnecessary, but I could be very wrong. And that's the box, guys. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to try and start posting videos again a little bit more regularly. Again, with the holidays and starting a new job and everything. I had some stuff going on, but hopefully, I'll try and start posting stuff a little bit more regular. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I love hearing from you guys. And I will see you next time.